if you have, a little cheat sheet of exactly what your position looks like. You can take, if you're on option view, you could actually take pictures with your phone. If you don't have your computer, you could take pictures of your phone of your position. I know some of the guys that are within the community that are, pilots. I believe, as a matter of fact, I heard this from Dave Heinzen, who will go and take physical pictures of his option view, so if he can't get access during the day when he's flying around, he knows exactly where his position is, which I thought was brilliant. So that there's a lot of things that you can do in preparation for these things when you're not around, to be able to go in and simply go in and cancel replace via your phone. Sometimes these trades are actually hard. I'd be the first to admit they're hard to create on your phone, whereas on the computer application they're, I think, quite simple. I mean, they can be done on the phone, but there's, I think, a higher degree of probability of messing it up. And so if you have it there and you have it in for maybe just a one contract, and you have it in there for a price that is, if they were ever to fill it, would be fine. And I'd always put the order in as a good to cancel order, so it basically just sits in there. And it's basically just waiting for maybe something to happen. So I think it's a way that I do it